we'll start with the first one, a while loop. So a while loop, this is how you write a while loop. Count equals, so let's give a count of 0, and then while. So while the count, so if the count is meets this particular condition, if the count is less than 5, what happens? If it's less than 5, print. Let's have that count. Let's have the count as what? Count, and then we also print the count. But then what we also do is we want to auto increment the count. So plus equals 1. Put some space here. So what happens now? Every time this is run, he'll first check is 0 less than 5. Yes, so it will print 0. It will print count 0. Goes ahead and adds 1. So 1 until it gets to 5. 5 is not less than 5. So it will terminate. Let's see. Let's not be theoretical. Let's see. So Python loops. You see 0 is less than 5, 1 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5. But 5 is not less than 5, so it terminates. So that is the while loop, guys. So the